Woo, she's sharp. And of course, we got our tree. Whoa, 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 cut. No, sorry guys. We were gonna do another episode of being a lineman here today, but this job just went way too quick. We had a tree on the primary. We got her cut clear with hot sticks, close the line back in. Now we're going home. I guess we'll call this one episode, what were we on, 11? This one can be 11.5. So we just rolled into this tree in the line someone called in. You can see where it's making contact with the primary, and it's just barely making contact with the telephone there. That's way too big of a tree to be attempting to remove while it's hot. Once I start shaking that thing around, could go to ground through that telephone or even in that neutral. Be a big flash. So we're gonna go down the road, open the line. All right, so we got the line out. We've got a tree. It's just uprooted in the wind, and it's hung up on the primary there, as you seen a few minutes ago. We're going to use hot sticks. I don't have a work permit on the line. I just have it isolated, which means I open the switch, I check potential to make sure there's no juice in the lines. There's induction, of course. It's not grounded. We're going to treat that thing as live. But we got that line opened up so that when I use my hot stick to cut the top of that tree off, as it's dragging around, especially where it's making contact with that telephone neutral, we're not going to get a big ball of fire in our face. So I don't have my action cam with me today, and it's super dark out. Not sure if I'll even be able to use this video or not, but we'll set the camera on the bumper, hit record, and give you a little bit of taste of how we're going to attack this guy. All right, we're all geared up. Gonna get my rubber gloves on. We got our stick. We got our saw blade on our extension stick. Check this guy out. Works some good. Woo, she's sharp. And of course, we got our tree. Let's see what we can do before we go home. So I don't have much time left before I time out. If I can't get this fella with a half-decent attempt here, we're gonna pack her up, get another crew to start heading this way soon. But it's just a spruce tree. It's fairly soft wood, so we're gonna give it a try. Some wind going on here now. Alright, we got that one wrapped up pretty quick. So, just one thing I want to make clear. The stick I was using cut that tree off the high voltage. This guy here has tested and insulated for 100,000 volts per foot. And of course, we're using our 20 kV gloves, so it's not something any old arborist can grab a fiberglass stick and start knocking stuff off the power lines. Let's take a quick look over. Here's the tree. That's what's left over there. It's all clear now. A couple of burn marks there. So that's the size of that top piece. 2 or 3 inches across. Oh, there's the main section right there. That's probably about 6 inches across. You can see that handsaw even on a insulated stick. It's pretty sharp. It works really well. You can see the wind knocked quite a few trees down. Go back up the main switch, close it back in, call her a night. I worked well, I'm at almost 13 hours now today. Once we hit 14 hours on a regular work day, we gotta shut her down. Mandatory rest for 8 hours. Just a tad bit windy up there tonight. Hard on the old telly stick. Alright, so last thing we gotta do is report to dispatch that we've completed our work, completed our switching, everyone's power is back on. We're heading home for the night. We're gonna be off the roster for the rest of the night. Like I said, we're at 13 hours and a few minutes right now. So one thing to remember, guys, what you see in this video is a stick and a saw cutting a tree on the power lines. It's not that simple. That stick is tested annually. It's inspected every use. It's good for 100,000 volts per foot. We tested the lines for potential, which means there's no voltage in the lines. Guys, don't mess around with this stuff unless you're not only properly trained, but also authorized to do so. Thanks for stopping in, guys. Don't forget to drop me a fist bump in the comments along with where you're watching from, and we'll see you next time.